Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying port type and Chrome OS version, so the OS can negotiate power and data. This matters because USB-C can supply power and transfer differently than USB-A. Once done, unlock your Chromebook, open the Files app, and inspect storage permissions in Settings. Now plug the USB drive firmly into the correct port. If using an adapter, make sure it's fully seated. You're initiating a hardware handshake that Chrome OS will detect and list in Files when successful. You'll see the USB device appear in the left pane of Files. That's how Chrome OS exposes external storage. Once visible, you can drag and drop to copy or move files, or use two-finger menus to open items. This works because Chrome OS treats external storage as removable volumes. If the drive doesn't show, check power, reconnect, or try another port. Make sure to eject the drive from Files when done. That ensures write operations finish and prevents file corruption. You can enable Linux Crostini to mount ext4 or run advanced file utilities. Do this from Settings under Developers because Chrome OS limits low-level access by default. For best compatibility, use XFAT or FAT32. Chrome OS reads NTFS but may limit writes without an app. If the device isn't recognized, you should try a different cable or port and reboot the Chromebook. That often resets the USB controller. Key troubleshooting tip: always safely eject first. If problems persist, test the drive on another computer to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.